have been really, really busy over this last week. We've been trying so hard to get the garden in. We've got a large order for our regular job where we build crab traps, and it's just been go, 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 go. I did not feel like making a big dinner tonight. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have some potato salad, which I'm gonna make a big batch so that I have it for tomorrow. And I have some leftover chicken where I had roasted a chicken 2-3 nights ago, something. Anyway, I just picked the breast meat off, and we're gonna have barbecue chicken sandwiches and potato salad. Easy, fairly quick. Now let's get to it. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is get these potatoes started, high flame. We're gonna bring them up to a boil. All I did was just peel them and cut them up. Drop them in the pot, fill the pot with water and a little salt, and we're gonna let it come to a boil. All right, to make my barbecue chicken, we're gonna use Randy's special butt rub and barbecue sauce. And I've already made it, but I'll leave, Randy can put a link or something in La La Land up there where you can find it. It is so, so good. This is all I got left, so I'm going to be making some here and soon, but that's plenty enough for tonight. And this butt rub is good for anything. Tonight I'm using it for chicken. When we first made it, it was in a rib video. Pork, I don't care what you put it on. It makes a really, really good rub. So just go check that out. We're going to get that started now. Okay, next up, we're going to start that chicken. We're going to put that on a low flame. Low as it'll go, so it'll sit there and simmer while my potatoes are getting done. We're just gonna let it simmer. And it is only potato salad, so we really don't need a ton of it anyway. Okay, and we're going to dice that up. Nice and small, but that will still give our salad a nice little crunch. This one. So now while those potatoes are finishing boiling, we're going to just start loading this nice big bowl. I got 3 eggs, and we're just going to, probably not the right way to do it, but it's the way I do it. We just put those eggs in there. Oh, they're hard boiled too. They're not raw, they're hard boiled eggs. I actually made some egg salad, and I saved out 3 eggs to go in my potato salad. one. I really don't care how they're shaped, because the more you stir that potato salad, the more you're going to break those eggs up anyway. So, there we go. And this is my zucchini relish that I did back in June. And I think there's a video, and Randy can link it if you need to know how to make zucchini relish. But it is so, so good. It runs in the family of like a bread and buttery kind of, you use a lot of mustard seed. It makes potato salad the bomb. But if you don't have that, you know, you just pick your poison. You can use dill or you can use sweet pickles, whichever one you like. But this one is the bomb. And it's about a half a jar, so that's 4 ounces of zucchini relish. I'm just gonna put, honestly, it's a squirt. I don't know how else to explain it. It's just a squirt, just like that. Just, you know, it's maybe a teaspoon, teaspoon and a half. It's not a lot of mustard. Same thing with the salt. It's pretty much taste and preference, but probably for all those potatoes, that was probably a teaspoon of salt. I'd start there and then, you know, just whatever suits your fancy. Same, about a half a teaspoon of pepper. And I'm gonna put a good tablespoon of butter, because you can't mash potatoes without butter. All right. Now let's test those potatoes and see if they're done. All right, let's go in here. Oh yeah. See, potatoes are done. So I'm gonna need Randy, my handy dandy cameraman, to go dump the water off my taters. Okay, and what I did is this is about 8 nice sized Yukon Gold potatoes. Because like I said, we're gonna have it today and tomorrow and maybe the next day. So I don't have to worry about having so much to cook. All right, now we're just gonna give that all a really good stir. Here you go. And I don't worry about mixing or blending or pulling out anything special. All I need to do is just mix it up. Now it's time to put the mayonnaise. And I'll use this. And it's by eyeball too, but I'll start with 2 good sized serving spoons, because that is a lot of potatoes. And we'll get that mixed and then see how we're looking. And really, I think that I need a little more of that zucchini relish. So let me go over here and get some. Here we go. I did this one in August. So actually, for all that, I'm going to use a whole 8-ounce jar of my relish. See how pretty that is? All that red and green and more green. It's just great. Just great. Okay, now my potato salad is all done. I'm going to come back over here where I've been just simmering that chicken. And I'm going to put that homemade barbecue sauce in there. And I'm going to pour till it's like nice and good and soupy. Okay, and that's not quite soupy enough for me. So we're going to put a little bit more. All right, and to serve these rolls, I don't have any of my own homemade bread because we are too busy for me to mess with homemade bread right now. So I grabbed some buns. They're called Nature's Own artisan style everything buns. So that's what we're having. Let's get them done. Get dinner on the table. All right, y'all, taste test time.
Taste test time.
These are tried and true. He really don't have to do that.
But no, but I'm going to do this for you guys because I'm going to explain to you how very optimal these barbecue chicken sandwiches are. And you know why that is, right?
Because they have your butt rub.
And I got my barbecue sauce, my specialized, privately owned and devised barbecue sauce. And my butt rub. Boy, I like getting my butt rub. But anyway, yeah. So I know what these are like. This is good.
I know. We rarely have sandwiches for dinner because he's not really a sandwich kind of guy, but he will eat these.
Yes, ma'am.
And we are too tired to argue. Too tired to argue.
And the potato salad. Of course, you guys aren't going to have the privilege of obtaining the exact flavor that we have in this potato salad. And you know why that is? Well, that's because Tammy used her zucchini relish.
Yeah.
But now, if you was with us last year during the springtime, you know, when Tammy was making...
Fall, that was...
Or the fall,
like
yeah. When she was making... Whoop, I dropped my potato salad.
Uh-oh.
When she was making her zucchini relish, then you got some, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is truly awesome.
That's some good stuff. Anyway, I got to vouch for it. It's pretty good.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Pretty darn good.
Mm-hmm.
I am soaking wet. I've been out in the garden trying to get sprinklers situated.
Yep.
I've been boiled and fried.
And then wet.
And wet. That's where I got the boil from. I got wet and then cooked.
Yeah.
But anyway, yep, that's it. I'm out of here. I'm going to take this with me, guys. I'm going to get this video running, and we'll see you next one. I'm going to let Tammy say that.
Mm-hmm.
Bye.
Bye. Like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.